Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video guys. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to fix the black myth Wukong not launching error and black screen problem. So let me show you guys. First of all, let me show you guys what the problem exactly. Double click, no response the game. See, the game is not responding, right? So this is the problem you guys facing, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how you fix that. So it's very easy. First of all, you go to the control panel and open the control panel, right? So then after that, you go to the date and time settings and change the date. Keep remember, change the date. Go back to past. I mean past, yeah. And just set to March 30. Okay. Then okay. Then apply okay. Then go back to the game and just launch it. See, the game will work. You have to wait. See, the game is work fine. Like this kind of content, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video and share with your friends if your friend is probably facing this problem. So there we go, the game is run fine. Let's go and have fun guys, and please guys subscribe. Okay, so let me wait, complete the shutter. I'll be back. I'm back guys. So finally my shutter is completed right now. So let me see, open. Okay, next term and condition, bye bye, accept. So as you can see, the game is work fine. See, the game is work fine. Let's go. Things. I'll play on the medium setting guys because my graphics card is not so powerful. So that's why.
Below, those above, and that black mutt of yours. Come at me, all of you!
They gave you many chances, yet you spurned each.